we are posting same way essay. Now it is 40 expense GL account, enter 10 lakh 1 rupees. Okay, text 50 liability GL account star plus. Now we are going to understand what is clearing payment type, how many payment type available. ठीक है, FBL 3N. Now you can see there two line item available. One is having 10,000, another is 10,001 rupees. Now we are going to understand payment types. Payment types means you have to run T code F-07. Okay, so 01 document type essay, narration. I think we can give bank GL amount 10,000. 10,000 I'm giving. 5,000 I'm giving. Okay, let's 5,000. Yeah, then GL. I don't have that much amount, so I will pay 5,000. After 1 month or 15 days, I will pay another 5,000. Okay, so please click on process open item. Now see, there is standard payment. Okay, partial payment, residual payment. Withholding tax means TDS. We don't have withholding tax now, so three type of payment available: standard, partial, residual. What is standard? Standard means you are paying the full payment, but what we are doing now, partial payment. Okay, so let's example, I want to do standard payment, I don't want to do partial payment. Now we are going to do standard payment. Okay, now we are going to land one by one. What is standard, what is partial, then residual. Okay, so standard payment I have to do now. Click on charge of difference, double click on amount, click on star here. What is the debit amount? To copy, click on simulate button, document simulate. Okay, now we are paying 10,000. Save, go to ABL 3N, ABL 3N. Now 10,000 is clear, only 10,001 rupees line item available. Okay, so you have to go to clear account, execute. See, 10,000 clear now. So now you have to understand what is partial. F-07. And what is the impact of partial payment in ABL 3N? Listen carefully, it's the interview question. And see also, you can face the question anywhere in the first round, second round, anywhere you can face this question. What is partial, what is residual, and what is your standard payment. So now I have 10,001 rupees line item. Now I have to pay 5,000 only. Okay, so I'm putting here 5,000. I have to do partial payment now. Now process open item. Okay, now this is green. If you click on, double click on this, this is deactivate. Now 5,000 is, so you have to always, if that is not green, you have to double click on this. Okay, now it's saying that 5,000 is your payable amount and bill is this much, and not assign 5,000, so I have to go partial payment. Okay, and double click here. Okay, here 5,000 came, 5,000 debit credit 0 now. Okay, So now save it. Now go to FBL3N and see the impact. FBL3N. See, you should see the 5,000 balance here. Now why 10,000 also coming, 5,000 also coming? Actually, we need the 5,001 rupees. Balance is 5,001 rupees only. So the line item should be 5,001 rupees. Okay. Now I'm doing residual payment. Then see the impact. Okay. Go to residual payment. FDES 07 1st August. SA here bank account. Now I want to pay 3,000 residual amount. Okay. Process open item. Okay, now two items showing here. Okay, so I have to deactivate this one because this is the payment item. Okay, and now go to residual item, select this. Now 2,000 I have to pay once again. Double click on this, or I have to pay the 2,001. It is showing more, so I have to go here 2,001 or 3,000 minus 7,002. Okay, double click on this. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Here minus 7,001. So now I'm posting this account entry. Save. See here the balance. List, refresh. Now see 5,000 and 7,000. It's 1,000 only. Okay. In residual payment, now I want to clear and post another document. Then only you can understand what is the, this is the due to partial payment, the 5,000 open, still open 5,000. Okay, so I'm doing once again the residual payment. Now go to FS 0701. I have to account to your this one 2,000. Here process open item. I'm putting all amount, charge of difference. Double click on this, star. Okay, save. Now another entry I'm posting. FB01. Okay, 01. SA, to understand what is how residual is impacting. Okay. 4,000 text 50 star save. Save. Now in ABL 3N, APL 3N, there 4,000 amount will be available, open item 4,000 available. Okay, now we're going to do residual payment. When we have done the partial payment, there are two line items are showing. Now in residual payment there are only one line item will show. Okay, let's say sorry, help desk 07, desk 0701, document type essay, bank account 2000 only, 2000, liability process open item. Now I'll go to residual payment. Here minus 2000. Okay, now save. Go to here GL balance. Now see, you should expect another line item. No, it is only show one line item. Actually should be there, should be happen. If you have you have already paid, so that amounts only payable amount should show na. Why double line item showing? So partial, what if somebody ask you a question in interview, what should be your answer? Partial is show the bill item also payment item both in open line item. Okay, but residual only the balance amount will show as open item. Okay, what is the theory for this? Partial is, partial will show like both item, invoice amount and payment amount both, and balance will be invoice minus payment. Okay, but residual will show only the payable amount after deduction of invoice minus payment. The payable amount will be shown in residual payment. Residual payment and partial payment difference is this only. Okay, if somebody asks you in question, you should give the answer like this. This is for GL or vendor customer, all are same only, residual payment and partial payment. Okay, anybody any question? Biswajit, did you understand? Hmm? See, this is the, our bill was 4000. Okay, now we have paid 2000. Here showing 2000 only. If I'll do residual payment, see, again I'm posting one document. Okay, say sorry, FB01 or FD02. I'm posting one document. Let's say example, I'm taking 6000 rupees. Okay, text 50 90 star save. Okay, now here list eh, what happening here? Hmm? Uh, Give me 1 second. Oh, sorry. BL 3N. Okay, now forget the 2000 line item. Okay, now we have 6000. Okay, because this is the residual payment, that 6000 I have to pay the partial payment from 6000 only. Okay, so I'm going to pay this GL account F dash 07 01 SA. Now account, bank account. Now I want to pay 3000 of partial payment. Okay, GL account, this process open item. Now I have to deactivate this line item by double click. Okay, now I have to work on this item only. Okay, 6000. Go to partial payment. Now 6000 I have to do it here. 3000. 3000. Okay, now simulate document, simulate again. See, my account entry will be 3000. That means I am my invoice amount 6000. I am paying 3000. Only 3000 is payable now. Okay, so say, now go to the GL line item display. Okay, now list, refresh. Now see, your 6000 are also showing, 3000 are also showing. Residual payment what does? After payment only the balance amount will showing as open item. But partial what does? Partial does your bill amount also show open item, your payment amount also show open item. So this is the difference between residual and partial. Yes. Yes, you want to clear this, you can do the standard payment, or through FD02 also you can post entry, then FD03 you can clear this. Again I am going to F-07. I want to clear all the payment. Okay, August. I just wanted to show you what is the residual payment and partial payment. So is anybody any question on this residual payment, partial payment? Any question? Bunty, Hari, any question? Hari, any question? Clear? Now I'm doing the standard payment only. It will save. It will green now. All line item will be green. Okay. Here see list, refresh. No line item available. Okay. As open line item. Now all are clear line item. Okay. Okay. Now I want to create one FSB. Means I want to see one balance sheet. How can do that? OB58. T code is OB58. Create new entry. Financial statement 1188. FSB for CO code 1188. English. What is our chart of account? 1188. Okay. Now click on financial statement item. Yes. See here, so many things is showing. Statement, financial statement, note, profit and loss. Okay. So what should I do? Click on this. Create. Balance sheet. Okay. Click on this. Now this is the balance sheet. Now click on account assignment. Now what is my balance sheet? GL 1 lakh to 2 lakh 99. Okay. Balance sheet GL might be debit or might be credit, be also happen. Okay. Here we can do like that. If I don't want to balance it, I want to current asset, asset liability, or like different. Okay, so I can delete it. Now I'm creating once again. I'll do one asset, one liability. Okay, click on this item. Asset account assignment, asset 1 lakh to 1 lakh 99,900. So like this, as per your company requirement, you can map here. Click on this. This is debit credit. This is GL is coming. See, one to one. Liability also. eh, Click on this. Click on this and click on account assignment. You have to select first. Okay, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 99. Debit credit. Okay, enter. Now profit loss. I am going to click on profit loss. Create account. Expenses, then income. Okay, select this. Okay, click on expenses, account assignment, 3 lakh to 3 lakh 99. Then here also debit credit. Expense might be credit, might be debit also, as well as income. Click on 4 lakh, 4 lakh 99. Okay, it's totally depend on your requirement. What you want to. I want to income means my like my normal sale is one rank, then I will create normal sale, then I create export sale, then I create any other income. Like I can create so many as per my requirement here, and I can assign the GL account as you same way we have to assign the GL account. Okay, what we are doing now. Now save. Now, yeah, you can edit it. You can edit it. Double click. Yeah, you can edit it. Okay, you can edit it like this. See, you can edit it. See, you can edit it. Okay, if you want to distribute different way, you can create. See, company wise, you one company as per company's requirement, you can create your FSB. Company saying that no, this GL should be removed from this FSB. Okay, I don't need this GL. Lala told you I need only asset GL. Give me one FS, that only FS, only asset GL is available there in that FS. You have to click on only asset. Okay, you don't need to create expense, income, and liability. Now your FSB created. Go to F.01 standard T code. This is F.01 chart of account year 1188. Here FSB is also 1188. See, FSB automatic coming here. We have created now, that is coming out automatic. Okay. Now GL account you can put a star. Star means all GL account. Company code also you can give. 1188. Execute. See what is the issue here? Internet. See, see, this is your. We have used this GL2 GL only, na. This is the trial balance. Okay. When you post customer vendor GL, all will come to this picture. Okay, there are so many type of views, like classic list. Execute. See, classic list is coming here. Yeah, like design wise, you can see it. Okay, Pardon? Here, go to below here. A will be tree control. Little sheep tree wise. Go to tree wise. Execute. See tree wise. Asset, expenses. Calculate profit. Profit also calculating. See, liability is 31,001 rupees. Okay. So, so like this is your FSB you can create. Any question on FSB? Why you are using FSB? To see the trial balance. Okay. Like you, what group you were created in your FSB? FS OB58. OB58. Now I'm going to show you another thing. Another thing means how to edit. Okay, click on financial statement version. Double click on this. I want to put here 3 lakh to 3 lakh. Okay, this another expenses. I am changing this name. Expenses electricity. Okay, now I'm adding another one. Create item. Expenses water. Okay, water I'm putting account assignment 3 lakh 1 to 3 lakh 1. So like this you can design your FSB. Okay, so like this you can design your FSB. So I'm putting our one account entry in water expense. Okay, now FB0. FSB means financial statement version. Okay, okay, Biswajit, are you able to understand what we are doing? Hurry, your voice is low now. Hurry, why? Now I'm putting 10,000 in water expenses also. Okay, 50. Direct bank. I'm putting bank direct. Okay, water expense to bank. Okay, save. Now I'll go to FSB. Check my FSB. What my FSB is showing now? F dot 01. Okay, 1188. Then company code 1188. Okay, then I'll my FSB is also available here already. I don't need to change that. Okay, see here period 1 to 16. Why 1 to 16? 12 is your normal period, 4 period special. Special also, if you have done some adjustment entry in special period, so that should also show na here. So that's why 1 to 16. Now execute. Water expense is showing differently. Okay, so like you can design your FSB. So any question on FSB? Biswajit, Biswajit, any question on FSB? I will send the recording also. Also, you will find the recording in YouTube also. Okay. Now, uh, how? Let's example. You have posted one wrong account entry. Then what you should do for that? How to change that? Reverse the document. So how you can reverse the document? FB08. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Yeah, sorry. So FB08, you can reverse that document. So I'm putting 10. My last document is what was FB03. Sorry, FB03. 114 my last document. Okay, I'm reversing it. FB08 01. Save. Why reversal is in 01? Now document is posted, means see here F401 means current period, reversal current period. If this many reversal region available, you can choose as per your requirement. Now I have reversed that document. Last document is reversed. FBL3N. Go to this water expenses GL. Okay, execute. See, one entry is posted, another is reverse entry. Reverse document type AB. How it is got? How this we didn't update the number range for AB, but still how it got? Because yes, in OBA7 there are SA position, SA, double click on this. See here, reversal document AB is assigned here. Okay, that's why system allow to do that. Now another thing I want to show you, MBL3N. Okay, um, this is the clear entry. Now I want to reverse this entry. Okay, this entry I want to reverse. Wrong link cleared, so I want to reverse this. How can I do that? FB08 it is not available. Okay, because let's see the error first. See, document include already clear item, reversal not possible. So in the same case we have to run FBRA decode. Paste here, press enter. See, is not clear in document. So first what to do? You have to clear this account only. Okay, FBRA 102. Save. Clearing reset. 102 is reset now. Okay. List refresh. 101, 102 all account document is removed from here to where? Open item. See, these both are now open item. Now you can reverse it through FB08. Okay, I want to reverse it. Copy. So you can write down all the T code. Okay, FB08. Put here. Now save. This account document is reversed now. Okay, so there are to reverse there are two T code. One is for normal item, that is FB08. For cleared item, FBRA. Another T code also available, f dot 80. This is mass reversal. You want to reverse multiple document at a time, so you can put here this button, put the document number and your company code and fiscal year, then execute. All document will be reversed. Before that, if there are clear item available, we have to run the FBRA. Okay, I think for yes, yeah, tell me.